Hi guys, today we're doing an unboxing of the Sony PS4 infamous Second Son edition. Now the box looks fantastic. You've got a really clear, bright, exciting image of Second Son on the front, obviously with the console here, the controller and the game. It tells you about a free 14-day subscription to PlayStation Plus. And then on the back, again some more game screenshots, and tells you a bit about what's in the box and what PS4 is all about. So let's get stuck in and open it. The box itself weighs probably about 5 kilos, but it's remarkably easy to carry. I brought it all the way back from town, no problem. I've got a little leaflet here which tells me that I need to update my PS4 pretty much as soon as I set it up, really. Okay, let's get inside now. That is a great view, so you can see all the box contents. So here is the brand new DualShock 4 controller, and it is a work of art. You can see the new mouse pad here. The analog sticks look a bit different too. Top here, this is your new light indicator, different colour for each controller. The triggers are really smart. You've got a USB socket here to charge the controller, and your new share and options buttons here. And on the bottom you've got a sort of lightning cable, a bit like what's on the iPhone, and a headphone socket to plug in a headset. So that's the DualShock 4 controller. Here is our list of manuals. So we've got Welcome to PlayStation Quick Start Guide, instruction manuals, etc. there. Then in the little compartment underneath, here's our USB cable for the DualShock 4 controller to charge. Here's our HDMI cable for getting those crystal clear graphics from the games straight to your TV. Here's your main power cable. And finally in this section, a really nice thing to have included for free is a headset, a Sony headset. It's probably not as good as some of the ones you can get, but to bundle that with the console is a first, and I think that's great. And then on this side is the main piece, if you like, and that is the PS4 console itself. And that's really well wrapped, and here it is. So there's the front. You can see USB sockets and what's going to light as a blue light all the way along there. Sleek design. Love the angled sides here, that's great. There's the back, the fan, and all the important connections. That's the top of the console. So this is like the old PS3 sort of style, and this is like shiny. Looks fantastic. Feels a lot lighter out of the box. And then just bundled at the bottom here is our copy of the infamous Second Son. which to this day is apparently still the best game on PS4. So a good addition to get. And that is everything. So you do get a lot of stuff. So just to recap, we got inFAMOUS Second Son, the PS4 console itself, the power adapter cable, HDMI cable, which again they didn't have to include. You often have to buy them separately. A headset to plug into the controller, the USB charge cable for the controller, some instruction manuals, quick start guides, the DualShock 4 controller, and finally this little leaflet telling you to update your PS4 and get cracking. And that is the unboxing of the new Sony PS4 inFAMOUS Second Son edition. Thanks very much for watching.